Inexpensive gigabit solution for home SOHO. 510 101,000ths of a megabit per second gigabit ports. 10 gigabits per second switching fabric. Auto 1501, MDIX crossover for all ports. Secure store and forward switching scheme. Full, half-duplex for Ethernet, fast Ethernet speeds. Plug-and-play installation. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent performance, pure plug-and-play. This switch has the benefit of showing different colored activity lights for 1G and 100M connections. It's slightly different appearing than the switch I got last year that had the part number and D-Link logo on the front. This is the purest of plug-and-play. Nothing to do but connect cables. The connected devices were identified by the router within a few seconds of powering it up.